Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Today's lesson will be about 5 verbs from the story The Adventures of Paddy Beaver, which has been translated into Arabic. It's geared towards students at an intermediate level who are trying to build their vocabulary through reading. So let's get started. The first verb is sata'a yasta'u as-sutu', which means to shine. Here's a passage from the book which includes this verb. Amalu tula layli. I work all night. حين تسطع النجوم, when the stars are shining. And of course, the singular form of nujum is najm. The second verb is laha yalhu allahu, which means to have fun. عمل طول النهار. I work all day. ولا وقت للهو, and there's no time to have fun. Maybe you've heard this word before that uses the same roots, which is Madinat al-Malahi, and this means amusement park. The third verb is Taha yudahi al-mudaha, which means to compare. It's a synonym of qarana. La ahada minna al-sighari al-mujtahidina. So not one of the small hard workers. And of course, sighar is the plural of saghir. يمكن أن يضاهي القندس بادي. So not one of them can compare to the beaver Paddy. Well, apparently in Arabic she's a baddie because they don't have the letter P. The fourth verb is raqaba yuraqibu al-muraqaba, which means to monitor or watch closely. Let's see how it's used in a sentence. وعندما يشعر بالأمان التام. And when he feels, also note that be will always follow the verb yash'ur. So when he feels bil-aman tam, completely safe, وَبِأَنَّ أَحَدًا لَا يُرَاقِبُهُ, and that someone isn't watching him, يَعْمَلُ نَهَارًا أَيْضًا, he works during the day also. Maybe you've heard this phrase لَيْلًا نَهَارًا, which means all the time. Our final verb is اخترق يخترق الاختراق, which means to penetrate. Well, this is a children's book, so get your mind out of the gutter. Here's the example. وكان الجدول الضاحك يخترق. So the laughing stream would penetrate or pass through. تلك البقعة المفتوحة. So that open patch. في منتصفها. In the middle of it. Note that this word can also mean to hack. I know that I said that there would be 5 verbs, but I found this sentence to be very rich, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Focus on the words in bold, which can be used to bolster your Arabic. قطعاً. قطعاً means, of course, like طبعاً. كان أول ما يجب عمله هو. So the first thing he had to do was بناء سد فوق الجدول الضاحك. Build a dam above the laughing stream, not the laughing schedule. حتى, which normally means until, but if it's followed by a verb in the present tense, it means in order to, like K. حتى يصنع, so in order to build. البركة التي كان في أمس الحاجة إليها, the pond that he was in dire need of. I know you're dying to learn more, but that's it for now. In the meantime, you can find more books like this on hindawi.org for free. I'll have a link in the description. There's no viruses or funny business with this website. They're a non-profit whose sole purpose is to spread knowledge and culture. Anyway, if you like my content, please subscribe as I'll try to come out with more videos every day. See you tomorrow.